Hey folks, thanks for joining us today. We're going to be making our oatmeal, milk, and honey soap that's part of our September 2020 release. First off, I'll show you our special ingredients. I've measured out our milk powders and colloidal oats. That's just ground up oatmeal. I've also got some honey from this wonderful company that makes fair trade organic honey. They're based in Ottawa. And then we're going to have some fragrance. It's oatmeal, milk, and honey. And we have some extra moisturizing cocoa butter in our oils today. First thing, I'm going to mix my milk powders and ground up oats into the oils just to make sure that they're well incorporated and there's no clumps or anything like that. Then I'll be adding my lye water solution to my oils as usual. From there, I'll stick blend it until I'm happy with the consistency. It can be just at a thin trace for now. And then I'm going to be stirring in the honey. This honey is raw, it's organic, it's wild, it is super sustainable, it's fair trade, it's the most lovely honey. I really encourage you to check out this honey. I'll leave a link in the description below. So I'm going to stir it in mostly by hand. I'll give it a quick blitz with the stick blender. And then it's time to stir in the fragrance oil. This fragrance oil is going to discolor the soap just a little, so it will be kind of a tan, light beige brown by the time we've finished. Now that I've stick blended it a little bit more to blend in the fragrance, I'm going to pour it into our mold. You can see that I have a little bit extra soap, so I just put that into an individual mold on the side. I'll sprinkle a little bit more ground up oats or colloidal oats on the top just to make it look pretty. These oats will help provide some natural and gentle exfoliation. All that's left to do is spritz it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol so it doesn't get too ashy, and then we let it sit for a day or two until it's ready to unmold and cut. We're really pleased with how this soap turned out. It's really cute, it's simple, and it smells absolutely amazing. The fragrance is so lovely and creamy, a little sweet. Definitely you get a bit of the oatmeal in there. It smells like a lovely bowl of porridge and we can't get enough of it. Because this fragrance oil discolors a little bit, the soap will get a little bit darker brown as it cures, but it stays a kind of nice beige tan color, which we think is great and thematic for what we're going for. You can see the little flecks of oatmeal throughout, which adds a bit of interest, and also, of course, it's going to exfoliate in a lovely way. And there are 3 different types of milk in this soap. So that's coconut milk, cow's milk, and also goat's milk. So it really is a super skin nourishing soap. Of course, honey is a natural humectant, so it also helps the skin to retain its moisture. This is a great soap if you have dry skin, so that you can retain some of that moisture and get a little bit extra moisture from the richness of the milks. These soaps are available now at tubbytabby.com. They're part of our September 2020 release, so you can head over there and grab them now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.